How to disable Yourphone.exe. First open Start and then click on Settings. Click on the Privacy option. Click on the Background Apps option. Locate the Yourphone option. Disable the Yourphone option. Now your problem should be fixed. First open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click PowerShell and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Copy the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Right-click the white frame and select Edit and then Paste. Now press Enter. Wait for the app to be uninstalled. Press Exit and then press Enter. Restart. Now the service should not appear in your task manager.